You're welcome to Correct Tales TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful platform. You can leverage merit of what and make money for yourself. You can see this platform. You can see this platform. You can see this platform. This platform will make you money what on the phone, computer, or whatever you get paid wherever you are without investment. By just what? By just doing petty job, by just engaging on stuff given by this site, such as it might be online survey, it might be playing games, it might be watching videos, and many more, and many more, and many more, and many more. Let me quickly show you something. Turn your time into profit. You can see, turn your time into profit. The flexible solutions that is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device and access to the internet. With access to the internet, wherever you are, you get paid for your time spent engagement on the platform. You can see everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. That's how you can earn money on Zareclaiming. You can download the app on App Store or on Apple Store, or you can get the app on Google Play Store. So I'll be registering now. Let's see if it works out, or we need to download it. You can see, then sign up with what? Google account. You can see I already have a Google account. It's still loading. Then you sign in with your Google account. Wow, I can see how easy it is. You can see it is very easy signing up on this platform. It's very easy signing up on this platform. This is how this dashboard looks like. You can see today so far earnings, $dollar. Yesterday, $dollar. Last 7 days, $dollar. This month, balance, $dollar. We need to verify our email address, but I won't be doing that now. I'm just showing you the platform which looks like. Let's check the notification. We have lowered the payment threshold and restored the possibility of withdrawing money by bank transfer. We have updated the withdrawal fees for international countries. Take advantage of the referral program and invite your friend to earn more money on the reclaim to get bonus. You can see, apart from even doing petty jobs on this platform, you can also earn money what by referring, by referring. You can see, by referring. So this is how our dashboard looks like. Let's check their referral program. You can see, invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on the reclaim. If the person makes their first payout, you will both get what, $10 for free. You would get $10 for free. $10 for free. You can see, it's very. Let's check balance. You can see. So let's see here. These are the jobs available. You can see, play games to earn, fill out surveys to earn, watch videos to earn, online shopping to earn. Let's watch videos. Let's see how it looks like. You can see Unity Fiber. Let's watch this Unity. Let's see what's there. This monetization method is available only on iOS or Android mobile. That means before you can leverage the merit of this platform, you need to download the platform app either on Google Play Store or on App Store or App Store. Let me show you Google Play Store. Now let's search for the Reclaiming app. You can see, work remotely with the Reclaiming. You can see, has 1K review, 1 million plus already download. I tried many similar apps and all of them failed me and wasted my time. Most of them are low effort apps. I like the most basic function. You can see it has good review. It has good review. For a stay at home mom, I love how I can choose the hours and time invested. Can't wait to receive my first deposit. You can see that Zereclami is very powerful. This is a top app. Now I'll be installing the app for you guys to see how it looks like. What it looks like. Then we open. Then let's sign in with our Google account. Let's sign. So I've already signed in before. If you have not registered, you can register. Sign in with Google account. You can see. You can see how the app looks like. You can see how the app look like. Let me click on the dashboard. Then again, Then you can earn what? Playing games, online service, watch videos. Let's check if it's going to work now. Unity videos. You can see. Start watching. Watch the video for 30 seconds to receive 9 points. You can see.
Learn how to turn $10 into $250 in under 15 minutes using only $10. All you need is the Expert Option app. Now correctly predict the price movements of an asset over 1 minute, either up or down, to earn massive profits. With Expert Option.
Okay. That's just the job. That's just the job. We have successfully watched the video. See, it's still out there. See, you watch the entire video correctly and receive what? 9 points. Watch the video to receive 8 points. You can see they have successfully paid us what? 9 points. 9 points. That's just how the platform works. That you can see you have earned 0.21 cents so far. Okay, so that's just how the platform works. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.